Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amiris, and in this channel we discuss everything from self-development to business ventures to career to fashion and sometimes home stuff. I'll just say stuff because it can be anything regarding the home, not just interior design and decor. But specifically in this video today, we will be touching on some fashion. I recently bought some Gucci sandals for summer/spring. They are the new Gucci rubber sandals. They're called logo embossed sandals. They come in really fun colors and black and white, of course. I got the black ones. I really did like the white ones as well, so I may get those too, not sure. But I wanted to just share with you guys the unboxing of these really cool sandals that I am obsessed with. So I hope you guys enjoy.